How does Linux compare to other operating system alternatives? In recent discussions, the question on many people's minds is how Linux stacks up against other operating system alternatives. With the increasing interest in technology and software development, understanding these differences is more relevant than ever. Just yesterday, several forums buzzed with users comparing their experiences with Linux, Windows, and macOS. If you are considering switching operating systems or simply want to know more, this information is for you. Linux is an open-source operating system that offers high customizability. It allows users to have more control over their development environments. This flexibility makes it a favorite among programmers and developers who appreciate the freedom to configure their systems as they wish. Popular distributions like Ubuntu and Debian provide user-friendly interfaces while still offering powerful features. For those who want access to the latest software, distributions like Arch or Fedora are great choices. One of the standout features of Linux is its package managers. Tools like Advanced Package Tool, Yellowdog Updater Modified, and Pacman simplify the installation of development tools. Additionally, terminal shells such as Bourne Again Shell, Z Shell, and Fish provide robust scripting capabilities. This makes Linux particularly appealing for server-side development as it closely matches production environments, reducing the chances of deployment issues. In terms of market share, Linux holds about 4.2% of the desktop and laptop operating system market. In contrast, Windows dominates with over 70%, while macOS accounts for around 15.7%. However, it is worth noting that Linux's kernel serves as the foundation for Android, which holds a significant 46% market share globally. Chrome operating system also uses Linux, capturing about 1.86% of the desktop market. When comparing Linux to Windows, many developers prefer Linux for its flexibility and Unix-like environment. This environment aligns closely with many server systems. Windows maintains its dominance in general desktop use and gaming. However, some users have voiced frustration with Windows 11 due to its hardware requirements and mandatory accounts. This dissatisfaction has led to a surge in interest in Linux-based alternatives like Steam operating system for gaming and development. macOS, another major alternative, is also Unix-based and popular among developers, especially those working with EOS. While macOS provides a polished user experience and strong support for development tools, it is limited to Apple hardware. In contrast, Linux can run on a broader range of hardware, offering more freedom but may requiring additional technical knowledge for customization and maintenance. Recently, virtualization support on Apple hardware has improved for Linux, allowing better use of Linux distributions on Apple Silicon machines. However, Windows support in this area remains limited. Linux stands out for its open-source nature, flexibility, and alignment with server environments. This makes it a strong choice for developers and technical users. Windows continues to be the most widely used desktop operating system, favored for its broad software compatibility and gaming capabilities. macOS offers a Unix-based system with tight hardware integration, appealing to developers within the Apple ecosystem. Ultimately, the choice among these operating systems depends on specific use cases, hardware preferences, and software requirements.